guys, this is my KTM 890 Adventure R. I am starting a rally built on it, so I thought I'd do a quick recording of the actual bike, a few of those accessories I have on it. Yeah, starting from all the brake extension and also my rally pack. It's just impossible to use the standard one. I mean, I got my feet a size 13. It's just impossible to stand up comfortably on it. I have removed the actual passenger pegs. I don't like it. Well, you know, bikes are dangerous. I don't want to be hitting anyone else to it. I bought a new aero exhaust. Obviously all those things will stay even after I do the build. I've got that one finger clutch on it, but it's not really doing that much, to be honest with you. I usually use 2 fingers, or sometimes I use those 2 large fingers. So I actually need to set this up lower. I was trying to fit this in so I can comfortably change my, I've got on like a what do you call it, like a map thing with a remote control on it, and I couldn't fit this any lower, but really I want to push this lower, so I'm actually using my fingers. I can use the 2 fingers but still holding onto my steering wheel with the other. Anyway, it's not correct, but at the end of the day I still need a bit of force on it, you know. It's still too hard. That was the main reason why I bought why I got this one finger clutch thing. But unless I put it on wrong, anyway, it doesn't really matter, but I'm just saying I got this as an accessory. I used to run a giant loop back, so the heat shield is still there. I actually have a Moscow motor now, which I might be changing anyway, but anyway, yeah, heat shield. I do have, I bought this. I got rid of the one which came out of the factory. I think it was a little bit too dangerous. I didn't like those hooks. Like, it's just not right. Anyway, I got this, as well as on my long trips I removed this, and I have the side rack mounted to the same whatever this is sitting on. It's fantastic on long trips. What else did I get? Well, that's just a stand thing for my stand in the garage. Oh yeah, of course, straight away I had to change the gear shifter. It's impossible to use the standard one. It's just impossible. Okay, Scott's damper thing. It's a must, especially if you're doing some off-roading, you know, hitting soft sand. All of a sudden, very dangerous without it. Made a video when I went to Flinders Ranges. You can probably watch it somewhere. Anyway, it's changed everything. I had no idea it's that good. You can probably, I should probably still adjust it a little bit. But anyway, next time I go on a long trip, I'll do it. I've raised the handlebars. Some people don't like it. I basically had to. I don't know, some people say that, oh, you're not supposed to, I don't like it, this, that and the other. Mate, I had to. My hands are, unless there's something wrong with my hands, maybe they're too short or something. When I'm standing up, to be comfortable, I had to raise them. And that's the maximum. I couldn't go any higher. If I could have, I would have. Yeah, I've got my actual quad lock thing. This is pretty cool. I got that. I can't remember where I got it from US. KTM Twins or something like that. They're called. This extension part which is great, fantastic. I got my drone set up on it too. It's really good. I'm about to update my phone, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. What else? Yeah, I've got a triple tech tablet. It's called Triple Tech, and I run the DMD2 system on it. But I've got a tablet. I specialize in smart home installation, so it's like an iPad type, but a military base, military grade. It's got a. Anyway, next time I'll show you when I'm actually building the tower, the rally tower. You'll see it. So that's the it's connected through Bluetooth, remote control for it. Yeah, I should do a separate video on that. Yeah, I've got the tire pressure on it and all this stuff. What else did I do as far as extras? Yeah, there's probably things I forgot. But I will change the bike, or different fairings, different sides fairings, this, that, everything carbon. So I'm going to weigh the bike. I'm going to put it through a proper weighing place before and after. So the rally tower obviously is going to be kind of like it's on my YouTube channel. You can have a look. I'm actually working for them, so I'm not paying full price for it. And if you go through my channel, I think you get some sort of a discount. I don't know exactly. I haven't sold any yet. I haven't got any interest. Obviously, I haven't done it yet. There's 2 people interested in buying it, but they're waiting for me to build. They want to see the videos. So part of my deal is to do a video recording of unboxing and build and all that's coming. Oh yeah, of course. I got an AXP tank protector, and underneath the bush plate, whatever they call it, it's all. Actually, it's gonna go. It's gonna go because I'm gonna install the CarbonFox. Yep. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. What else? I can't really think of. Obviously, tire. I've run 2 separate set of tires. Well, that's a different video. So I've done 10,000 kilometers on it. What else did I? Oh yeah, the mirrors. Of course, everybody, you have to change them. They just move around, you know. If you the ones you buy that come standard is ridiculous. You just break it on the first day. You drop the bike. Not that you're gonna drop the bike, but if you are planning to go off-road, almost guarantee you're gonna at least gently put the bike down. Okay. So anyway, I thought before I strip it, before I take it all apart, I want to have some sort of a record of it. Yeah, I've got all those charges and stuff on it. I've got that 100-watt charger for my tablet. All this will go, but I do want it to have some sort of a record of what I had. Oh yeah, of course I've changed the rally seat. It comes standard in, it's a bit wider than that. I guess more comfortable than this one, but I came from a smaller bike, and I just can't get used to the wide seat, you know. I feel like I just had to change it. I just did not feel comfortable. So I got a rally seat. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you very much. 10 minutes, oh my goodness. Alright guys, thanks. Thank you.